Hey, what's up you guys? Back again for another unboxing video. Today we got the MegaTank, the Pixma G3272 by Canon. Basically this is a MegaTank printer. It doesn't use the ink cartridges, it just uses a tank and you refill the tank. And I like these. My wife has one like this. It's not a Canon, but she hasn't bought any refills for her ink in about 3 years. This right here comes with 2 years worth of ink. So I'm gonna get this because I'm tired of those overpriced ink cartridges. Just fill up the well and we're good to go. So let's get this baby unboxed real quick. Just a quick box. Oh yeah, today is Christmas Eve too, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. I don't think we'll have another video up before the end of the year. We're gonna start 2026 off and running. So inside the box, see, look, when you first open the box up, they give you like a little diagram here. Oh, okay. So they say it's a little other container in here. You just lift up. It has the cords, the containers in here. Old ink right here. This is how to get rid of, how to recycle your old printers. So open this up. It said take the big bag out, and then it's another little cartridge on the back. So let's try to do it like we're supposed to. Okay, I got you. So first thing is this. So we just lift this up like so. I'm gonna put this on the side for now. Inside here, what we got in here, we got the instructions, some paperwork for you. You take all of these out, get the actual printer out. What else is in here? Make sure. So it says lift with 2 hands. I don't know how much. Oh, okay, some more. There's some more. So you grab it underneath the bottom. There we go. Let me get this out of the way. Get up out of here. All right, there we go. So now, there's the actual printer. We're gonna get to that in a second, but let's get back to this. This was first. And you see how they told me to take it out, just hold the handle and lift it right up. So what we have here should be the different colors. So here's look like it's all in, okay, there's English. So let's say it must be all in Chinese. Canon. So basically here's all the colors here, the bottles. You got black. You got they call it, I call it, yeah, yellow. Then you got magenta, and then you got cyan. Then also inside this container, what else they got? Oh, okay, I got you. So over here, you bring this down, and these are the reservoirs you fill up. So here's the ink, and then these are the reservoirs right here. Looks like okay, oh, it's inside there. So what else we got in here? We got the power cord. Is that it? Make sure I'm not missing anything. Make sure I'm not missing anything. I think that's it. Alright, yeah, that's it for that. I'm gonna do a little cleanup. So yeah, right here is the containers. Okay, so as you can see right here, basically you're just gonna push the different colors down on this, and it puts it in there right inside the container. And this is B, so this is black. So it looks like black has its own container. Let me see, open. I'm not gonna open it, I'm gonna read the instructions, make sure, but that's that. So let's get to that. I'm not gonna mess it up. I'm gonna make sure you guys read the instructions. So now let's get to the actual printer. I wanted to just open that up, but now I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna be nice. And this is the actual printer right here, you guys. You see that, baby? Ooh, whoa. That's that Canon, that mega tank. Here's the tank right here. So we open it, yeah. So let's come back a little bit. Let me zoom back in, get you guys straight. So here it is. This is the black. So basically printer functions, home screen, menu. It has built-in Wi-Fi. Your paper is going to go back here. So it's a back feed as far as the paper, has a scanner right here. You can print your scan. Your paper's going to come out here. Have a little tab to catch the paper. And then when you open the big boy right here, just like many other printers, probably got a piece of tape. Yep, probably got a piece of tape over here. So let's take this tape out. You know, just like a standard printer. Except this one, you don't have to waste all that money. So there we go. So once you open that up, of course, you open that up, and then here's your tanks right here. So like I said, I'm going to read the instruction book. I ain't going to be crazy with it. But basically, you see right here, this is where your different colors, that's where your colors are going to go. So we'll figure all that out once we show you the instruction manual. Yellow, magenta, and then you got cyan, and then black goes over here. So we're going to figure all that out. We're going to get it working, but make sure you guys definitely check it out. It's that magenta tank G3272. Great price, great value right now. And like I say, it's a tank, so you don't have to worry about ink. This right here, this ink right here I have, is going to last me probably 2 years without having to buy any more. Yep, it's good to go. So, hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you on the next video.